Here's how to fix mobile data not working on your Android phone. Now, if you're connected to a mobile network, but it's not loading up websites or apps aren't working, I'm going to show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first step is we're going to swipe down from the very top right and make sure we toggle off Wi-Fi. And once we toggle off Wi-Fi, it will switch from Wi-Fi over to your mobile data, and make sure that you're on that mobile data to check to see if it's working. If it's not working, let's swipe up and tap on Settings at the bottom left. Once you've opened up Settings, we're going to do a couple things. The first one is we're going to tap on Connections here at the top. And from here, you can see two different things that we're going to go into. One is data usage. So tap on Data Usage. And from here, we're first going to tap on Allow Networks for Apps. So you can go in here, and if there's a specific app that you're not basically able to use that mobile data, make sure you go to it, for instance, Chrome, and make sure it's not set to Wi-Fi only. Make sure it's set to mobile data or Wi-Fi. Now, the next thing we'll do is we'll go back out of here, and we'll go here, and you can see mobile data. Just toggle that off, and let's hit turn off. Wait a few seconds, and then toggle it back on. Now this will reset that mobile data connection. The next thing we're going to do is go to Mobile Data Usage here, and we're going to go to the gear icon at the top right. Now you want to make sure Set Data Limit is not turned on. If that has a data limit of really low, then it won't let you use that mobile data anymore. So make sure to toggle that off. Now, after we've gone through that process, you can go back here and we'll go back again until we get to mobile networks. Tap on mobile networks, and I would recommend data roaming turned on, and then whatever basically the eSIM that you have here for LTE or data networks turned on. You might also want to toggle these off, wait a few seconds, and toggle them on for both of these settings. After you've done that, if your mobile network is still not working, the last thing you can do is go all the way back out of here to the beginning of your settings. And then from here, we're just going to scroll down, keep scrolling down, and then you'll be able to see towards the bottom here is General Management. Just tap on that. And from here, you'll be able to look for the Reset option. So tap on Reset. And then scroll down a bit and you can see Reset Mobile Network Settings. Just tap on that. And it says it will reset all those mobile network settings, including refreshing all of those. And a lot of times that fixes any issues with connecting to the mobile data. After you go through this process of resetting it, if it still doesn't work, make sure you're somewhere with a really good signal, and you might need to reach out to your carrier and ask them if there's an issue with their signals or cell towers being down or any issues with your account. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.